Under the cola tree, our stories unfold. Drums speak the past in rhythm spoke.
Did you know that in the Igbo traditional society, totem was not an object of worship, but a sacred emblem of identity, ancestry, protection, and respect for nature? Number 2 totem, called Igbo totem, leopard, ago. Ago, the traditional Igbo society viewed ago, leopard, as being a strong, resilient, noble, powerful creature, which symbolizes strength, power, resilience, and nobility. And during the traditional Igbo society, it was said, oral history has it that only warriors and high-ranking titled men like the Ozo were the people that wore or used leopard skin, or had the spots on their body with uli, the body arts on their body, which signified strength, nobility. And now we have it, well, they call it, it's supposed to be Isiago, but what we have now is Isiodom. That's lion. But the Igbo totem is Ago, leopard, known for its agility, known for its strength, known for its resilience. The number 3 totem, Igbo totem, is tortoise, Mbe. The tortoise that was known for its wisdom, wit, and resourcefulness, and also survival in oral traditional storytelling. Akụkọ ifo was all about Mbe, Nabe. Some call it Nabe, Mbe. That's the tortoise. How the tortoise used its wisdom to even to outsmart animals that were stronger than them, which symbolize for Igbo brain, power, wisdom, survival, and resourcefulness. Another one, python. The python was known for its patience and connection to the spiritual world. Was seen as a messenger. There are some Igbo communities that respect the python, like the Idemili people in the present day Anambra State, Njaba in the present day Imo State, the popular Eke Njaba. And these totems, Igbo totems, they are all seen as sacred. sacred elements, sacred animals, sacred trees, sacred what have you about nature. The Igbo totems, I would say, are about nature.
Under the cola tree, our stories unfold.